Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a household empties to share. There's not a ton of products, but I really want to get rid of this trash. But let's get started. So another aluminum foil, 40 square feet from the DollarTree. This stuff is okay. I do keep buying it because they made the foil sheets shorter and they don't fit pans anymore, so I started just buying the foil on a row again. This can easily be messed up. It is kind of thin, but it does serve its purpose, so I will continue to purchase it. These tall kitchen bags are from Walmart, are 13 gallon. You get 20 bags. I think they were like $2 and something. Anyways, they're alright. They're kind of like on par with the DollarTree. They rip easily. The tie rips out of them if you're not careful. Don't overfill them and don't put anything that's going to puncture the side in them. They're just alright. I would repurchase if I need trash bags because I don't like overpaying for trash bags. And then these Triumph freezer quart bags. These are from Save-A-Lot and I've been repurchasing these for months now. They're double zippered and you get 40 in here. They work fantastic because I always buy big packs of meat, divvy them up, put them in the freezer, and I put them in these freezer bags. I've never had an issue. Highly recommend this brand from Save-A-Lot. They have been working great. Some laundry items from Home Bright. I have these fabric softener sheets and they're cotton fresh. They say they're bonus size. You get 42 in here. They have a nice scent to them, but it's a light scent, and I don't like that these sheets just crumble up into like nothing in the dryer. So I won't be repurchasing these because of that. These I don't like. These were in the dollar aisle at the Dollar General, which is a good deal, but them just like crumbling up into balls and just tearing apart, obviously I don't like that. It's not good for your machines either. So yeah, no. And then the Home Bright In-Wash Scent Booster in Lavender Burst. I don't like lavender scents, but this is not too bad. It is a good scent booster for the wash, and I will repurchase this time and time again. This one, the Clorox one, and the fresh scent one that they have in that dollar aisle at Dollar General all work really good. Clorox disinfecting wipes. I love Clorox disinfecting wipes. I'll continue to repurchase these. This was like a 70 count. They were in the fresh scent, which was nice, and they done everything that they needed to do. They cleaned messes up, they disinfected germs, they disinfected every room in the house. Clorox for the win, always. And then I got this empty Home Bright Ultra Dish Spray, and this is in the dollar aisle at Dollar General, and it's in the Ocean Fresh scent. And this is supposed to be comparable to Dawn. This is 10 fluid ounces. This stuff works major magic. This stuff is amazing. I highly recommend getting your butt to some Dollar Generals and trying to find this product. It works fantastic. It does cut grease very nicely. And when I found this product again, because I liked it so much, I bought 2 of them. And now I can't find it again. But when I do, I'm going to buy multiples again. Yeah, it's really, really great. It cuts grease. It is a great just spray the dish and wash off real kind of quick product. The sprayer is nice as well. And I love this. Absolutely love this product. Highly, highly recommend. And then I have a couple hand items. So this is the spa soap. I got this from Dollar Tree. It was $1.25. 32 fluid ounces for this. It's in the milk and honey scent. This stuff was really, really nice. I'm still currently have this much left in my refill bottle. Really nice stuff. Did not dry my hands out or anything like that. I definitely will repurchase this in the future to refill my soap dispensers. Really nice. Definitely recommend this. This is the Smart Care hand sanitizer. I've had a few of these in my empties in the past as well. It's 33.8 ounces. And there is a little in there, but I'm getting ready to fill my containers with hand sanitizer. refill them, so this is on its way out, so I'm just going to go ahead and film this portion. And it's just a hand sanitizer, but it does have aloe vera and vitamin E. It kills the germs on your hands. It does what it's supposed to. I keep hand sanitizer in the kitchen and in the bathroom, and as well as hand soap. I buy this at a local market. I always get this giant bottle for $1, so that is a steal. So I need to repurchase another one of those, and highly recommend this brand if you see it out anywhere. And then last but not least, from Great Scents, the Strawberries and Cream Odor Absorbing Gel. And I got this because I got the strawberry and cream spray, which smells really amazing. This smelled really good as well, but it did not have a throw, not at all, not in the least, non-existent. I don't recommend these Dollar Gel things like this. I did put this in the bathroom in hopes that in a smaller room, like, you could smell it. You couldn't smell it at all unless you were right on top of it trying to smell it. Yeah, so it just is a gel and it dries up and all the scent goes away. You can still faintly smell it. I do like the packaging somewhat on this, but it is kind of bulky. It was a bust. I really hate that though, because it did smell good. It just didn't have any throw, like it didn't go anywhere. You could only smell it in the container. If you love these, you love them. If you don't like them, you don't like them. And this one just didn't work out for me. So I did get this for $1 at the Dollar General. That's all the household empties I have today. I hope you enjoyed them, found the reviews helpful, and maybe try some of the products out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.